Nigerians just lost over 1.3 trillion naira to yet another Ponzi scheme, CBEX.
You 2 minutes.
Yes, you heard that right. Trillions of our hard-earned money just gone. And it's not the first time this is happening. From MMM to MBA Forex, now CBEX. The question is, when will it stop? Today I'm going to share with you 10 red flags that you must look out for to protect yourself and your loved ones from these fraudulent investment traps. Number 1. Unrealistic returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it's probably not true. CBEX was promising 100% returns in 35 days with little to no risk attached. In real investments, such consistent and high returns are simply not sustainable. Number 2. No clear business model. Now there's a question you need to always ask, and that question is, how does this company itself make money? If you can't understand the business model in 2 minutes, just walk away. CBEX couldn't explain how their crypto and forex arbitrage worked. Number 3. No regulation or licensing. Did you know that CBEX wasn't registered with the Security and Exchange Commissions, that is SEC, in Nigeria? Always confirm with the appropriate financial authorities whether a platform is regulated or not. Number 4. Aggressive referral system. Ponzi schemes love to reward you for bringing in new people. That's their style. That's because they depend on fresh money to stay afloat. Once the inflow slows down, then the whole thing collapses, because all they do is use the incoming deposit to pay out. Number 5. Fake testimonials and paid influencers. Be very careful of social media hype. Many influencers were paid to promote CBEX, and that's true. Some even claim they cashed out. Don't follow hype, follow the facts. Number 6. Pressure to invest quickly. Scammers often create a false sense of urgency. For example, they say offer ends in 24 hours, and that is just to hasten you to put in your money very fast. Or only 100 slots left. These are psychological tactics to make you act without thinking. Number 7. Lack of transparency. If a company cannot provide details of how funds are managed, or refuses to let you make withdrawals when you want to, then that is a red flag. Number 8. No physical office or verified team. Now in the case of CBEX, some said there were offices which they visited which belong to CBEX, but the question is, who are the verified team? No verified team that ran the investment program, and that is actually a red flag. Number 9. Poor or no customer support. Always try to contact the company you want to invest with before putting in your investment. If their support is slow, rude, or completely not available, that's a sign that this is a big risk you're about to take. Number 10. Promise of risk-free profits. In real investment, risk and reward go hand in hand. So any platform that promises you a risk-free investment where you get 100% return without any risk, that company itself is a big risk, and you have to run from that platform because it's nothing but a pure scam. CBEX told their investors that their investment was secured. Now see what has happened. Over 1.3 trillion naira is lost, gone down the drain. Now let me be honest with you, Ponzi schemes are difficult a lot these days to detect, especially when they come with jargons like crypto and forex and many other investment or financial programs in such manner. But being financially educated is your first way of knowing when you start seeing this kind of programs. If you found this video very helpful, just click the like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel to receive more financial tips from me. Also drop a comment in the comment section if there is any point I've not noted in this video which you know will help someone. Go ahead and drop it in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and stay smart. Bye.